which countries are on Moscow's list and will be targeted as legitimate targets for producing weapons for Ukraine. On April 15th of this year, the Russian Ministry of Defense significantly escalated its rhetoric, officially warning that European factories producing weapons for Ukraine are now considered legitimate military targets. Moscow claimed that the increase in production, especially in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, is dragging European countries directly into the war. Moscow published a list of specific industries and businesses in Europe that manufacture drones or components for Kiev. The Russian Ministry of Defense stated that turning European territories into strategic rear bases for Ukraine leads to escalation with unpredictable consequences for the security of the continent. Before we mention the list, it is believed that the attack by Russian hackers who breached more than 170 email accounts belonging to prosecutors and investigators across Ukraine in recent months was not a coincidence. This is because the same network is reported to have targeted military and government accounts in Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia, and our country, specifically by breaching 27 email accounts managed by the Hellenic National Defense General Staff. The list includes addresses and company names in at least 11 countries, which Moscow accuses of creating joint ventures or branches of Ukrainian companies. These countries are the United Kingdom, Germany, Denmark, Latvia, Lithuania, Czech Republic, Italy, Spain, Israel, the Netherlands, Poland, and Turkey. Apart from the production plants in the above countries, the Russian leadership has expanded the definition of legitimate targets to other categories as well, such as vehicles of the US and NATO that are located in Europe and will be transferred to Ukraine in the future. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.